When installing the grinder, turn it into position until it locks into place, and be careful not to turn the grinder adjustment dial. With the hot water light on and the water tank light flashing, this indicates that we need to flush water through the system. We may hear a loud buzzing noise, but this is just water coming through the circuit for the first time. Now we need to rinse the circuit. I'm going to place a filter into the filter holder and attach it to the machine like this, ensuring it's nice and secure. Now we press the automatic rinse button and let water flow through the system. Now we're going to rinse the steam circuit. We just need to deliver steam for 10 seconds before closing the dial. I'm going to repeat the process until the water tank is half full. Then I'll refill the tank. We're now ready to use our La Specialista.